you have one of the most important parts. You have somebody who knows you, where you're raising awareness. Okay? So are there more people in the world who know you than people who trust you? Yes. But in the middle, we have something very important. Not only do they need to know you before they trust you, what else do they need to do?
Like you.
Like you. So we have at the top, we have know you, right? That's brand awareness. Whether it's a relationship, a personal relationship, or it's building a relationship through Facebook ads or Google ads or whatever it is, they have to know you first. They have to have brand awareness of who you are. The next is them liking you. This is where affinity, what we call affinity content comes in. You have to be likable. You cannot be a robot. Okay? You cannot just post up a picture like a realtor shot, as I call it. Sorry, Peter. He has awesome shots. You can't just post up a stock photo up there and think that it's all good. People need to get to know you and your brand, and they need to like you. And that's the only time then you have an opportunity to get them to trust you. Can somebody tell me one instance of when they got somebody from like to trust? All right, nobody trusts you.
Doing the right thing.
Doing the right thing, okay? Even if you're not able to, let's just say I was late today for a meeting with Peter because I was stuck in traffic. I sent him a picture of the fact that I am stuck in traffic. Thankfully, he was stuck in the same traffic. But you know, that even right there goes from like to trust. Okay, wow, she's really telling me the right thing. Those tiny little things can help you move people through the funnel. And this is where they become your clients or your partners or whatever other relationship it is that you're building. Again, Kristina Centnere, founder of Social Account. Thank you very much.